welcome to Team Romeo, 720 Albany Highway, Victoria Park. And we've got here a 2004 VY sedan. 2004 VY V6 sedan. Auto, air conditioning and power steering. Polar white in colour for the hot weather. Tinted windows. Tow bar, if you need to tow that trailer, it's fitted, and it is an Executive Series 2. It's travelled only 100,000 kilometres. It's got cloth seats, cruise control, have a look at that, clean as a whistle. 105,000 kilometres. Lovely car to drive, V6. And we can arrange finance. If you've got a trade-in, you can upload it to Show and Sell Cars. Give me a call. My name is Bob. My telephone number is 0430 110 335. Give us a call. Thank you.